So according to this assignment for Java plus a Spring trainer at NXT Wave, first of all I want to say you something like thank you so much to giving this opportunity like assignment to give me any a chance to work with you in NXT Wave. So this is just the assignment which assigned to us that how assigned to me. um, I got in my this email rs123f5 this account. So I said at the last time is 2 p.m. and right now it is going on like this 21st February and 119. So I have completed this project in a Spring Boot using all these concept whatever is instructed instructed me basically. So basically I want to say something like uh, this was really amazing project, like all these concept in the Java we have to use array and list and everything, timestamp in SQL and repository services, all these layers we have to use. So this is the overview of this project, that what we have to use and all these things about this project. So first of all I am going to show you that first close all the tabs, and this is the project which is a Spring Boot intensive project is the project name. And here we having the in the src package main inside Java, and Java having the this package. This is the base package having the different sub packages like controller, DTO. These are the layers we can also say. The first layer is a controller which has going to decide okay, so this is just the controller which controls the flow of the request and response is going to coming and throwing from here only, the controller part. And this is the DTO, like which is going to use for the data processing. Okay, and this is the entity which is used to create the table and deal with the tables in our database. So our database is something like here. So entity, we having the manager entity and the user entity, because I created a manager entity because of that we are also basically not we are totally dealing with that, but we are dealing little bit to using the manager to just get the all the users of the manager. So because of that, so this is my MySQL workbench where we having the all the tables and data. So I am going to show you, this is the database and having the manager and the user table, because have to create it and I have so many data in here because I have to manually insert it, not from here, from the just postman. Okay, so I have to use this postman tool to do operation and all. So basically I want to gonna to say you, like here we having the manager and the user table like entity which is having the role to just perform all the database operation and all, like fetching the data and all using this entity class, and automatically will be create the table inside the database using this entity annotation and all. Okay, so basically this is the thing. And after this is the repository having the all the abstract methods which are going to use and the implementation is providing by the Spring Boot. Okay, JVA, we are going to dealing with manager, so manager repository we having. If we are going to dealing with the user, we having the user, and these are the custom 3 methods which are going to using okay, so this is the thing. After this, the service layer is here, the service. So manager service for the manager and the user service for the user, having the all the methods whatever we are going to dealing in the controller, means create the user, get the all users, and like this all the methods are here. And after this we having the service implementation, like whatever we have to declared in this interface, we have to implement it in these classes. Like user service is going to implement it in the user service implementation class, and the manager service is going to implemented manager service implementation class. Okay, so after this we having the util. This is the very important for me, because first time I think I have to use this exception in this. So exception like these are the my own exception, like custom exception, which are going to help us to just throw the exception and all. Okay, so invalid name exception, if a name is empty, and also this that time we will throw the exception like invalid name exception like this. And invalid PAN number, if the PAN number is having the invalid number and digit and all like this, so we will throw this exception. Invalid phone exception, like we having the more than 10, no, we cannot say more than 10, like 10 or 11 or the 13 should be only the digit of the phone number. After this, a manager not found exception, like if we are going to fetching the data from the manager table, and if manager is not present there, so we can throw the exception like manager not found using the UID or okay, so manager ID is there, UID in here in the database in our table, the manager having the manager ID. Okay, so this is the thing. So these are the things. After this, we having a service for the util also, like users util service. To these are the methods which are going to use so many times, so that's why we have to create this in this interface and implement these things in here. And after that, we have to use that mobile number prefix streamer is a separate thing, like which is going to use for the only mobile number trimming. Like if we having the more than 10 digit like 11, so what can be there, so I have to specify only two, like 0 and 1 for the America and the 0 for the India. If prefix will be 0 and 1, 0 or 1, so this will be understand by this. And if this thing will be like an plus with a country code, okay, so this thing will be checked if a length should be 30 and 13, and then this will be we have to use if else if. Okay, after this all the thing is same. Convert character, where these are the helper for this trimmering the phone number, and then we have to save in the same like original mobile number. Okay, we have to save original mobile number. After this, we having the user util service implementation, which is here we have to implement it here. Okay, so this is the thing. After this is the normal alien class we have to learn from telescope. Okay, so these are the overview. I'm so sorry for these things that I have to taking too much time to elaborate all these things. So basically I am gonna to say that what is the controller, this is the main point and all. So manager controller is here. So manager is having nothing, like only create the manager and the get the managers. Okay, so these are the two endpoints we have to create it to fetch the data and the create the managers. After this, we have in the user control, like we have to perform all the operations whatever we have to instructed, you have to instructed in the assignment, whatever have to assigned in our assignment. Okay, so this is the base URL, like we can say that whatever whenever the request will be come in our application, this should be first we have to use. This is the like home URL, like home URL for our request, I think. After this we can have these types of the sub URLs to reach these methods, specific methods. Okay, I'm not gonna to remember the fixed name of this, what we are going to call it, but like a controller, home controller, what we say. Okay, so this is the these are the endpoints or the APIs which is going to dealing with the service and the all, and service is going to dealing with the repository and all. So here I am going to show you that in our project we have to in our assignment we have to assign like first create user, the function should be a post method. So all these methods in this assignment told that post method only, so I have to use only post method only. Post method accept is JSON body containing the following keys. So these are the keys which is going to accepting. So and this manager ID can be payload, means after creation, after some time can be also inserted. So I have to not generate automatically and all. So here we have to the create, where is the, this is the base and this is the create user. After this / and then create user. So this will endpoint will be call, and internally this will be executed the create user method. Okay, so this will be called. So implementation class is here. So this will be first of all validate that the user is not null. So not null. If user will be null, then it will be return the validation response. Yeah, so if validation response is null, so what is validate here we have to see what is this. If null will be given by written by this method, then we have to understand that this is okay, means no any error, no any validation error. Okay, so where is that first controller, then create manager having, this is a manager controller, where is a user controller, create user implementation, and then we having the validate. First of all the validate this. So if this will be not null, means having the error. Okay, means having the error, so return the error. Or if don't have, so we have to just as you know, if you are going to returning the, so this will be just terminate and all these things will be closed. So this codes will be not executed at all. So here what we are going to do after this, if this will be false, means else block will be executed like that. So this will be executed. Okay, no any return statement will be executed here, and this will be validate the all the things like user get, this validation will be happen using these methods, util methods. And after this, after validation success, we have to just convert the PAN number in uppercase and all, and then we have to user.get manager id. We have to first what did we do, user.get manager id is not equal to null, means we are going to check that manager id should not be is not null. If not null, means this is the manager equal to, oh, if manager is not null, means manager is already assigned there. Okay, for that user, so we must have to check first now manager is existing in the manager table or not. So that's why we are going to just checking here that manager is there or not. So first we are going to get the find by id the manager, and then we are going to check the manager is existing or not. So validating here, like if manager is not null, then we are going to save. Also we need to save if manager is not there. Okay, but in here when get manager id is not null, then okay, and if null, then also we need to save. So there is nothing like that, but we are going to just validate here and then save. If if manager id is passing, then we need to check the manager id is there or not in the table or not, so manager is existing or not. So if there, so created successfully. If not, so not found error. And in here we can see user repository.safe. If not manager id is giving the same creating user time, user creating time, so we can just return this user created successfully, and we have to save successfully also. After this, get all users, this is the method which is going to return return all the methods, sorry, all the users. Okay, so all the users will be written here, and I'm not going to show you all the things only theoretically and all. So I'm just going to show you the things. Where is that? Yeah, so here, so this is the get users API which is going to call, and this data is coming from as a JSON format. So these are the data as a list we are going to get from our database. All these users are getting. Okay, so this is the thing. So we have to got successfully the data, and where is the, yeah, controller here. So get all users we have to done, and then we have to done like where is create user. So create user we have to done like oh, what is happening, man? Create user. So create user is here. So I can just write here Ram Kumar. Okay, so this is the name, and this is the mobile number, like A12345678910, and this is the just like PAN number. Okay, so now next, invalid phone number, like this is not a valid phone number. So okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. One was missing, one digit. So user created successfully, and this is going to create it successfully in our database also. I think select all from managers, select all from users. So what we are going to see that in the last in the first where is yeah Ram Kumar here. So this is the thing which have to created in our table, and we can also see here creating user Ram Kumar. Okay, and after this we can see like what is the APIs. What are these APIs? Like get users we have to check already, and after this we have to see that what is this update users. So we can update users using this. Like we have the two conditions, like if bulk updation and the individual updation. This is the bulk updation because we are going to passing the multiple IDs of the user. So this should be only accept the only accept the manager ID. Okay, but here what we are going to do, we are going to do something like we are going to passing the another key also. So this is going to say something like we cannot be accept the extra key, required only manager ID for the bulk updation. But what we have to do, if we are going to just changing this, and we are just going to send the request, so it is going to updating successfully. Okay, so this is the thing. And if we want to updation bulk only, so bulk updation only from bulk updation, so we can do something like this only. We can pass only manager ID. Oh, sorry for this, but yeah, so bulk updation successful. So this is the thing. After this we having the thing like so in this method is going to call in the controller. Where is user controller? Where is that? Update, delete, get ID, get users. What was the what is the update user na? So update user is here. Update user, get user, create user, get users, update here, update user. So updating users, and this will be called to the update user, and implementation class will be called from here, and updation data will be updation perform will be from here. Updation operation will be performed from here. And finally in the last we are going to check also there that should be only one, and like if having the more than one entry of the ID, then we are going to do something like that. Okay, so we are going to see here that the if UID dot size is 1, so then the if size is greater than 1, so not the individual updation, this is a bulk updation. So we are going to performing the bulk updation from here to here, and after this is the like individual updation. And after this we are having the thing like this API is calling like if we are going to delete the user, so we can use the either the UID and the or the mobile number, so there is nothing problem at all. But if you are going to do something like this, then what will be happen to say user not found to delete? Okay, so because I have to already deleted, so just go here and the get all the users. So we have already users here. Okay, so I'm just copying here from Ritesh Sivan is here, and I'm just going to here and delete user. I'm passing this like user ID. So what will be happen, we are going to see Control V and then send user deleted successfully. So this have to deleted user successfully. Again send the request, and you will be able to see there is no Ritesh Siva. So now the last one, no last one I think. So get managers, I'm going to get the managers. Okay, so all the managers will be get from here. So all the managers detail have to, so only 2 managers from our database have to be getted. And from at this time what is happening, the this controller is going to call this method get manager. Okay, okay, and where is that? Yeah, this is the last one. So we are going to getting all the managers users. Okay, so we are calling this, and then we are going to see that this is the format of the data and all. So we are going to getting all these things. So these are the things like calling this API. So which thing is going to call? So in the user controller we are going to get the this one is going to call, and this internally this is going to call this method, and this one is going to perform by this logic only. Okay, what happens? Yeah, so I hope we have to got it, whatever we have to done. So I'm gonna to just I have to just told you whatever we have to done. I'm so sorry for this, but that I have to given so much time to developing these programs and all, writing codes. I didn't have I I'm not giving too much time to just explain in good way. I'm so sorry for this, and I am also not no understand in English too much good. I know English understandable and explainable only, so I'm like that. Okay, so this is the thing. And finally I'm going to close this video, and I will just upload this to just as this assignment instruction. We have to see that submit your GitHub repository link and submit your video recording. So that's why I'm just creating this video and all. So let's stop this video, and after this I will also, yeah, okay, so let's bye, thanks.